Take a ride in the 2022 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, rear spoiler, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.